Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Happy Planner for the last week in July. And continuing with my red, white, and blue theme, I'm going to be using this sticker sheet that I had in my stash. And really excited to use this sticker sheet because I've had it in my stash for several years now. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump in and see what I created. So the sticker has like a kind of like a love notes theme to it. So it has like red, white, and blue. It's got like the postal colors. And please ignore my nails. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I recorded a video with no nails on my nails, but we'll just have to excuse it because apparently I did that. So, yeah. So anyway, I am going to head and going with this theme. It doesn't really have any relevance to anything that's going on in my life, but I just really wanted to use the sticker sheet. And now that I'm used it, I'm so glad I did because it has a purpose now, and that's just sitting in my envelope, my 3-ring binder, doing nothing. Right. So I had these little envelopes, and I thought I wanted to go ahead and use those as well. So, because it has like I said, a love notes kind of theme to it. So yeah, I'm just using this red and white striped paper. And then I am going to use, like I said, I was using those little envelopes, and the little envelope set came with these little like pieces of paper to stick in the envelope. So I'm just going to cut that up and include that in the envelope. And then with this, um, the sticker sheet was kind of interesting in the color choices because it has like red, white, like a navy blue, and like a light blue, and then it also had some like pink color in there. So I did end up using some of the pink in the labels and stuff just to bring in that pink with the color scheme. So I just thought that was an interesting color scheme, the pink and the red and white and blue. So I wanted to include another piece of paper on the side panels. So I did use this piece of paper that I have that has love on it. It has love all over it and all over it. So I went ahead and decided to use that just to kind of give it a different element to the page. And I'm going to go ahead and glue on that paper. And then for the side panel, I mean for the insides, I'm just using my Fabri-Tac here and going to just glue that on. I just end up, I don't know, for some reason I just keep gravitating towards my Fabri-Tac lately. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and ink up the edges with some blue just to give it a little dimension from the white piece of paper from the planner. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that onto the side panel as well. And I'm sorry that it's a little bit off center. Not exactly sure what I was doing there, but it's kind of like that during sticker time too, so I do apologize for that. All right, so I'm going to take that little envelope there and just paper clip it to the side, and then we're going to go ahead and go into sticker time. All right, so now that we've done sticker time, I'm going to go ahead and do my little journaling card. And again, just using this love paper here. And I just cut up a little piece and then I'm going to round the corners. And then I'm going to glue on some of the red and white paper onto the back panel just so I could take away those little kitty cats. I do want to tell you that then I went in and I punched it with my planner once I got it cut out. I did punch it with my Happy Planner punch, but it does jam up every time I use more than just a piece of cardstock. You would think that the simple little piece of paper would not make that big of a difference, but it really does. Really, all it could do was just one piece of cardstock. So just be aware of that. I did have to kind of play with it and fiddle with it quite a while to get the piece of paper out. I was able to eventually get it out, but it did take me a minute. All right, so again, I'm edging the edges with the blue, and then I'm going to punch it with my planner. Punch. Let's see here, I'm kind of getting it in there and punching it really hard, and then yeah, finally I got it off there. But I cut that out. I think it took me like 5 minutes to get it off of the out of there. All right, and then the sticker sheet had these little uh, frame stickers, so I decided to go ahead and just frame the word love. And then I decided to take one of the little stickers. I'm just trying to use as many of the stickers that I could. I didn't end up using them all, but I did use a fair amount of the stickers, and I ended up adding some stickers to the page after the fact. Um, After sticker time, I just decided just going to use as many as I can, so I just stuck a bunch of other little random stickers that were in the sticker sheet. And then I think I threw away like 4 different stickers, just the ones I knew I was never going to use. Okay, so there you see I put a little envelope there, and then now it says like love letter, get it, love, and then letter. So then I'm just going to go ahead and frame that with the frame and then just add a couple of those other little stickers around the edges just to decorate that up a little bit. So this layout is probably not one of my favorites, but it's definitely not one of, I don't know, I've got mixed feelings about it. It actually turned out way better than I thought it was, to be honest with you. I was thinking it wasn't going to be that cute, but I don't know. I think it kind of turned out kind of cute. I don't know, the pink kind of threw me off though. But now that I'm looking at it, I think I kind of like it. So it just gives me another option, another color to use for my labels during the week. And then there's last week's, and then I want to go ahead and show you what I did for last week and kind of after the pin. As you can see, I kind of filled it up with all of the stickers and different things that I did. And I'm going to go ahead and check off that I did my plan with me video. You'll see here, I'm going to check that box off. Done. And yeah, so that is my planner for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.